Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, showing off the brand new quad surface mount. So one question many of you have been asking is if you can sync the quads with the Fusion. Yes, you can. This here is a Fusion surface mount version 3, so keep in mind you can only sync version 3 Fusion products, but you can sync them with any smart quad surface mount or quad dash light, any other smart product like that. So one thing to keep in mind is that you can only sync a single or dual color. You cannot sync a tricolor. So for example, right here I have set up a quad surface mount on tricolor. So you'll see it's red, blue, and amber. And then over here I have a single color, again, version 3 Fusion surface mount. So watch what happens when I go ahead and try to sync these up. I'm just connecting the blue wires. You'll see the amber has now disappeared. That's because, again, you can't sync tricolor with single color. You can only sync single color quad surface mount or a dual color. Now let me show you on the other mode here that I have set up. I have a single color pattern, single color blue, with my single color red Fusion. And when I go ahead and connect my blue wires here, you'll see they are now alternating, syncing up just as if they were any other Fusion product. So again, you can sync Fusion with quad. Just need to keep in mind it can only be single or dual color, and you must have version 3 Fusion products. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment below or let us know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.